how we find the sum of an arithmetic sequence. Now, to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence, there are two formulas that can be used, but the main formula is the one which we are going to look at right now, and then we'll look at the other formula later. So the sum of an arithmetic sequence is actually going to be equal to n over 2 bracket 2a plus d bracket n minus 1 close bracket. Now this is the formula for the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So all you need for you to be able to use this formula is you need to find your a and you need to find your d. And obviously if they want you to find the sum of the first 10 terms, then n would be also given in terms of it being 10. So they'll say, let's have a sequence 3, 7, 11 and 15. Now in this sequence, d is going to be equal to 4 and a is going to be equal to 3. Now if they say find S20, now S20 is the sum of the first 20 terms. So if I want to find S20, I'm going to use my formula and I'm going to substitute. So n is equal to 20, d is equal to 4, and a is equal to 3. Now substituting into the formula, we're going to get S20 is equal to, substitute for n is 20 divided by 2, open bracket, 2, substitute for a is 3 again, and then we are going to say plus, then substitute for d is 4, close bracket, and then open bracket, substitute for n again, which is 20 minus 1, close bracket, and then we close bracket again. Now obviously here you would need to use your calculator. You need to use your calculator, which is what we want to do now. So after using my calculator, I have got my answer is 820, and that is how you find the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So it's very simple, and we can try another one. Maybe we can use one with negatives, because negatives sometimes are a problem. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. So here our d is equal to negative 2, our a is equal to negative 1. Now if they say find S15, so in this case now we're going to say, because they want S15, our a is equal to negative 1, d is equal to negative 2, and our n is equal to 15. So remember, the sum of the nth term is equal to n over 2 bracket 2a plus d bracket n minus 1 close bracket, which means that n is equal to 15 over 2, substitute, so we use bracket a is negative 1 plus d is negative 2 in bracket, and n is 15 in bracket minus 1 close bracket, and then we close the final bracket like that. Then again we use our calculator. So I'm just going to use my calculator. So now here we find that our answer is going to be equal to negative 225, and that's how we find the sum of an arithmetic sequence.